Hey, I'm Brandon with Cycle Gear, and we're here to take a look at the Stockton Roadside Tool Kit. For those of you out there who want to be prepared should you encounter any issues out there on the road, this could be a great option for you. So let's take a closer look and see how this toolkit could benefit your ride. The Roadside Tool Kit can be used for a large range of different applications. It's coming in at $80 and it's going to be a great addition to your gear because you never know what you're going to encounter out there on the road. Now the construction here, we've got a poly nylon tool bag as well as the tool roll here is also made of that poly nylon, and that's going to speak to the overall integrity so you can easily toss this thing around and you don't have to worry about it coming apart on you. Now we threw it up on the scales, came in right at 6 pounds, and it measures 12 inches long by 4 inches wide. So again, this is something you can easily throw in your luggage. You can toss it on the back of your bike, and it's going to be something you can easily stow away without any problems there. Now keep in mind, you can buy online and ship to one of our store locations for free, where you can go over this tool roll in person with one of our gear experts. If you're not sure where your local Cycle Gear shop is, use the store locator at cyclegear.com. You can plug in your zip code, and that's going to get you pointed in the right direction for a store location closest to you. You know, as I've mentioned, this can be used for a large range of different applications. It comes in SAE as well as a Metric kit, so this should cover most modern bikes out there on the market. Now if we take a closer look, you can see there's a lot of tools here. You know, we've got Phillips head screwdrivers, tire pressure gauge, we've got wrench set here, a socket set, you know, there's torque wrenches as well as Allen keys. So I'm not going to bore you with everything that this kit comes with because I'm sure most of you out there can probably read the product details, but there is one thing I actually wanted to point out, and that's going to be the fuses. Now that is something that's very simple, I know, but this kit does come with a lot of additional fuses for you. So, you know, if you're out there on the road, you blow a fuse, this can really put a damper on your day. I was actually out there on the trails with my buddies. One of my friends had a DRZ. He blew a fuse when we were out there on the trails, but since we didn't have any tools, we didn't have any additional fuses, you know, the day ended with us pushing his bike and getting towed out of there on the trails. Whereas if we had something like this attached to our bikes, you know, we could have been back out there on the trails in a matter of minutes. So that's a really great benefit to this Roadside Tool Kit. So there you have it, a toolkit that should work well for a large range of different applications. But if you're looking for more details, feel free to click the info button on your desktop or mobile device, and that will take you to cyclegear.com. Or you can always head to one of our 130 store locations nationwide and check out this toolkit in person with one of our gear experts. Thanks for taking a look at the Stockton Roadside Tool Kit. I'm Brandon. We'll see you just around the corner.